Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. Today we're gonna look at how to use the Speechify application on your desktop browser. Now let's begin. Go to speechify.com and simply log in. I'm gonna log in using my Google account because I signed up using Google. Once the page is loaded, if you look at the left hand side, you will see something like new. Simply click on it. You can import the local documents from device, Google Drive or Dropbox. You can import from anywhere. You can import it from a web link. You can input the web link here. Now for the text document, you can simply input the title and write the text and create a voiceover. Now you can also scan documents if you wish, but for this you need to use the Speechify mobile application. Now if you look at the bottom, there is the create professional voiceover. Click on this and it will again prompt you to sign in. Sign in using either Google, Apple or your credentials. I'm simply gonna sign in using my Google account. Now that this page is loaded, there are many templates we can choose from. For now, let's focus on this new button. Simply click on it. We can create AI voiceovers, AI avatar, AI video, and many others. For now, let's just create an AI voiceover. You can simply input your text here, to replace the text, add pauses, block pauses. You can add blocks by clicking on this button, that is add a block. And if you look on the left hand side, it will show edit voiceover option. You can select the voice. You can choose from these many options. You can select the speaking tone, the speed, pitch, volume, everything. You can also import scripts if you already have some. You can use music. Simply click on plus to add it to your project or play this and listen. You can import images, videos. It also gives the option of stock images and stock videos. Hovering over the image you wish, you will see a plus icon. Simply click on it and that will be added to your project. Same process for the video. There is also the option of voice cloning. You need to allow microphone access. You can upload it or record it, that's up to you. Well, that is the gist of how you use the Speechify application, and for any queries you can comment below. That's it for the video guys. That is how you use the Speechify application on your desktop browser. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.